Hi everybody, this is Michael Tiny Saul. It is Sunday, April 17th at 6:24 p.m. and this is viewer requests for the week of April 18th, 2011. Quick note before we begin, the viewer requests are a weekly video that I do based on your feedback. So if you want to send me stocks to look at, currencies to look at, futures or commodities to look at, whatever, just send them in and I will do my best to give you a technical analysis opinion. I look at support and resistance, if any patterns are set up, etc. But these lists are not managed. Okay, so there's just one video at the beginning of the week and that's it. All right, and you can find my email to submit your requests at the beginning of this video under the contact sheet. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's start with BIIB. I got a couple requests on this one. Biotechs were on fire this week, and this was a huge break and a nice push to the upside here. Now, let's look at potential resistance here. We can throw up the weekly chart, and we could see, without even doing a Fibonacci grid, I could see that we're now above the 78.6% extension. So the next target is 84.75. That's the next target on BIIB, in my opinion, on the upside. But of course, it's very extended, so it may pause before it goes there, but that's BIIB. Let's look at Caterpillar. That's a viewer request favorite. Gets requested, it seems, every week. Watch the 50-day for support, 104.93. CTRP. Okay, CTRP had a nice move off of this March low. It's now in a bull flag. Okay, so first resistance would be up here at 47.03, and then the big 50 would be the next resistance number to watch. John Deere, also a favorite, held the 50-day moving average on two tests. So from here, you can bracket this little mini balance area and look for either a break here or a breakdown below the 50-day moving average. Okay, so that's what I'll be watching on Deere. Okay, DNDN, another bio. Okay, big push to the upside. 44.75 is next resistance on this one, but, you know, big extension here, so may want to pause, right? Google. Okay, Google had the big, nasty gap down. Just a nasty move here. So let's shorten up the chart and see where we could potentially find support on this one here. Let's see. Grab a fib grid, and you can see that we went through this, the 50% retracement. So next support would be down here at 514, and then the 78.6% retracement at 479. So watch this one here. I mean, the break of the 200-day is really nasty here. Okay, we've been up above it since October. This is not a good sign. And of course, with this big extension, we may get some consolidation before continued movement. But Google is nasty business here. So hold on to your hats. Goldman. Okay, Goldman below the 200-day moving average here. Support at 153.26. If it loses that, could be due for a quick trip down to this level here, down the 150 area. So watch that one. Yoku. Actually got 4 requests for Yoku. And I guess because it had this nice solid uptrend here from mid-February. But on Friday, it formed the second part of a dark cloud cover. So this actually could be watched on the short side. I don't even know if it's borrowable, but you know, keep your eye on this one because this is a bearish reversal setup. And last time it had one of these was back here, and you see it pulled back before going up. So watch this here. This is a bearish candlestick pattern. Zebra. Okay, Zebra. Yeah, I don't see much here. The 89 EMA, which is this green moving average, is holding so far. But definitely want to pay attention here to see if the bulls can bring some strength back in it. If not, could be due for more of a pullback here. Let's see what the next support line is. Next support line after the 50% would be 36.83. 36.83 if it broke last week's lows. And then down here, 35.86 is the 78.6% retracement. And then finally, Zion. Zion is an interesting little pattern here. I mean, it's not really a head and shoulders, but it looks like it could possibly be topping out here. Broke below the 89 EMA, so if there's continuation to be had on this one, watch this 200-day moving average right here for a potential target. That's it. Stay tuned for the watch list and the Forex videos, and have a great trading week.